Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Choba, a political science instructor, and my goal here is to guide students on their studies. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so without further ado, let's start! For today's tutorial, we will be discussing, or I will be giving you example of globalism. So we have already discussed on my previous vlog about the meaning of globalism. So now I will just be giving you an example. And as a recap, we have said that globalism is an idea of the interconnection of people across the world, and globalization is the increased or the rapid growth of interaction of people across the world. So those are the two different meaning of globalization and globalism. So now, I will give you the example of globalism. Isa sa halimbawa ng globalism ay ang paggawa or ang Silk Road. Silk Road. Okay. So that Silk Road is built by small groups of people in Europe in order for them to connect Europe and Asia. Para mas madali ang transportasyon ng mga produkto mula Europa to Asia, gumawa sila ng kalsada. Okay, so ang paggawa nila ng kalsada na yan, ang tawag dyan ay globalism because they wanted to connect the people or to connect the transaction of the people from Europe to Asia. Okay, so maliit pa lang ang mga taong gumagamit doon, small numbers lang ang mga tao na naglalayag or dumadaan sa Silk Road na yan. However, for now, i-connect din natin ang globalization, dumami na ang mga taong labas-pasok ng Europe at Asia. Yun na yung tinatawag nating globalization. Pero ang una, may globalism muna. Yung parang iniisip pa lang nila na ay mas magandang pagdugtungin yung mas magandang magkaroon tayo ng connection sa Asia. Dahil kapag meron tayong connection doon, mas marami or mas madali nating I mean kapag may kalsada na dadaanan ang mga taga-Europa na pupuntang Asia, ibig sabihin, mas madali or mas madali din yung transportasyon ng mga produkto. Okay? So that is globalism. And the example are, magiging globalization lang yan kung dumami yung mga taong dumaraan sa Silk Road na yan. Okay, so that's all. And I hope that you're able to get the concept of globalism. And if you have any more question regarding this topic, please don't hesitate to write your comment on the comment section, and I will give you back a reply. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so goodbye everyone!